Tuesday, June 4th, 2024. Focus. Render to Caesar the things that are Caesar's and to God the things that are God's. It is obligatory to pay taxes even if we do not like the government we are under. That is what Jesus points out to his interrogators who were under Caesar's harsh rule. The two groups, the Pharisees and the Herodians, with opposing political agendas, had come together to trap Jesus and question him about this. At the same time, Jesus specifically says that whatever belongs to God should go to God. What is it that belongs to God and carries the image of God? Genesis chapter 1 verses 27 tells us that human beings are created in God's image and likeness. Since we carry God's stamp, we belong to Him. He is our most loving Father. God loves us so much that He sent His only begotten Son Jesus to restore us to Himself because we belong to Him. Jesus achieved this restoration by His suffering and death on the cross. If we belong to God, we have to live according to His word. His likeness should be seen in our day-to-day lives, in everything we say and do. Is God my first priority? Am I committed to Him more than I am committed to worldly things? Can others see His image in me? Fruit. Lord, help me to discern my obligations to the law of the land and to You, and never to compromise my allegiance to You.